How to install JOMOO H9 Smart Healthy Faucet. 1. Check the accessories. Confirm the product information and the anti-counterfeiting mark. Open the packing box. Check whether all the accessories are available. Prepare the installation tools. 2. Install the main valves. Get a bucket of wastewater coming out of the angle valves. Wipe the water on the angle valves. Confirm size of the mounting hole. Dismount the hose holder. Draw out the shower hose, the aerated water hose and the electronic control wire. Have 2 braided hoses clamped in grooves of the hose holder. Take out the braided hoses in sequence. Remove the retaining washer and the fixing ring. Put the 3 braided hoses into the mounting hole in sequence. Then, put other hoses into the mounting hole. Hose length, S600 mm. Installation can be done when the vertical distance between any angle valves and the countertop is within 550 mm. Insert the hoses into the retaining washer and the fixing ring in sequence. Have 2 braided hoses clamped in grooves of the hose holder. Then, insert the other braided hose, the other hoses and the electronic control wire into the hose holder in sequence. Tighten the hose holder upward. Connect the cold water inlet hose and the warm water inlet hose to the blue angle valve and the red angle valve, respectively. 3. Install the electronic control box. Connect the combined rain and massage spray hose to the electronic control box. Remove the nuts of the electronic control box. Connect them to the shower hose and the aerated water hose in sequence. Insert ends of the 2 hoses into corresponding connectors on the electronic control box. Tighten the nuts. The electronic control box can be installed in a position with a vertical distance of 50 mm to 100 mm from the angle valves. Keep from the hoses in hole drilling. Finally, use screws to fix the electronic control box. Remove the battery box cover. Put the batteries into the battery box. Have the battery box buckled in the proper position and secure it. After the electronic control wires are connected, the product will execute a self-test. Sensing distance of the product can be adjusted according to position of the basin. Remove the protective film. 4. Trial operation of the product. Turn on the angle valves. Turn the temperature control switch to adjust the water temperature. Test the sensing area. If a hand is put in front of faucet, the faucet will have spray water. If a hand is waved in front of the faucet will have air spray for a long time.